Echinacea is a plant that brings together simple cultivation, traditional use, and a strong presence in the routine of those seeking to support the body naturally. Native to temperate regions, it adapts well to different conditions as long as it receives full sun and well-drained soil. Its growth is steady and does not require complex interventions, making it an excellent choice for both home gardens and larger growing systems. Planting usually begins with seeds or seedlings. When grown from seed, it requires some patience, as germination can take a few weeks. The soil should be loose, well-draining, and enriched with organic matter. There is no need for excessive fertilization. The key is maintaining balance. Echinacea does not tolerate waterlogged soil, so managing moisture is essential from the beginning. As the plant develops, it produces firm leaves and distinctive flowers, usually in shades of purple or pink, with a raised central cone. These flowers are not only ornamental, they are also one of the most commonly used parts of the plant. Over time, Echinacea becomes more resilient, tolerating temperature fluctuations and short dry periods, which reflects its naturally hardy character. Harvesting can begin once the plant is well established. Leaves and flowers are typically collected during the blooming period, while roots are reserved for more mature plants, usually after 1 or 2 full growing cycles. Each part of the plant contains valuable active compounds, and the use depends on the method of preparation. For tea preparation, leaves, flowers, or roots can be used either fresh or dried. Leaves and flowers are prepared through infusion. Hot water is poured over them and left to steep for several minutes. Roots, being denser, are usually prepared through decoction, meaning they are gently boiled for a longer time to extract their compounds. The result is a slightly earthy-tasting tea, often used when the body needs additional support. Beyond tea, Echinacea can also be made into tinctures and concentrated extracts. In this process, parts of the plant are soaked in alcohol for an extended period, allowing the active compounds to be extracted efficiently. This creates a more concentrated and shelf-stable preparation, typically used in small amounts. Supplements made from Echinacea follow the same principle, concentrating the plant's natural compounds into capsules or standardized extracts. While more convenient, they are based on the same idea, providing the body with supportive natural substances. Inside the body, Echinacea acts primarily as an immune system modulator. Rather than overstimulating, it helps the body respond more effectively to external challenges. Its compounds, including polyphenol and other bioactive elements, support the activity of immune cells and improve the body's natural defenses. It also offers mild anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects, helping protect against oxidative stress and supporting overall balance. It is most commonly used during periods of increased vulnerability, such as seasonal changes, colder weather, or times of physical strain. More than a quick remedy, Echinacea works as a form of support. Its effects are not about immediate intensity, but about gradual strengthening aligned with the body's natural processes. Growing, preparing, and using Echinacea is therefore more than a technical process. It is a way of building a direct relationship with your own well-being, respecting the timing of the plant and the rhythm of the body. Because, just like in gardening, the best results come not from speed, but from consistency and the right decisions made from the very beginning.